everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. Today I got the glasses on and I'm so excited because I am going to be doing a sweat-proof makeup tutorial for when you're wearing glasses or sunglasses or just in general sweating and getting those annoying indentations. And this video is being sponsored by GlassesUSA.com, so I do want to give a huge thank you to them. I'm actually wearing some glasses from them right now. I worked with GlassesUSA.com a few times in the past and I absolutely love them so much. They live by believing that eyewear should not break the bank, so they offer prescription glasses at up to 70% off retail price. They have over 6,000 styles of glasses and sunglasses, a ton of in-house brands and designer brands, which I'm about to show you right now. I got a pair from Ray-Ban. You guys are going to see the other styles that I did pick up. And your complete pair of glasses plus lenses starts at only $30, which is amazing. They also have a variety of different lenses to fit your needs. So they offer blue light lenses, bifocal lenses. If you guys didn't already know, fun fact, I have always worn glasses since I was in middle school. I wear contacts on the daily, but I am super blind. Thanks to GlassesUSA.com, I have such cute prescription styles now. I used to never want to walk out the house wearing my glasses that I got from my doctor, but thanks to them, I have such affordable, cute glasses now, so I don't feel weird stepping out the house in them. You get free shipping, shopping with them, returns, and 100% money back guarantee if you don't like your glasses, and a 365-day warranty. They also have contact lenses, and one of my favorite parts about shopping for glasses on their website is you can do a virtual mirror. So I will have that on the screen of trying on different glasses, and it actually helps me pick out what lenses will look best on me. And if you don't know your exact prescription or your prescription change, they have a prescription scanner app to help you out. So this is the first style I got. I will have the name of it on the screen for you guys. It is just so dainty and cute, and I realized they didn't have a pair like this, so I just needed it in my life. The glasses come in such a cute box that says happy to see you. The next pair I got, I mentioned I got some Ray-Bans, so I got this pair. If you saw my last glasses video, I also got a pair of Ray-Bans and I got them in gold aviators, so I had to get these silver aviators. I love them so much and I love the side. They're fire. And lastly, I got this style right here. I really liked that they have thin black frames and I really like how they look. They feel really light, and I got these with blue light on them, and blue light is really good to protect your eyes. So yeah, be sure to check the link down below to check out GlassesUSA.com and also check out the special offer I have for you guys. And before we finally get started, be sure to quickly give this video a big thumbs up to let me know how you like it. Also be sure to comment down below your thoughts and your favorite style of glasses that I got from GlassesUSA.com. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to do so. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. It is such a fun time around here and I would absolutely love it if you stuck around. But without further ado, let's get into this sweatproof glasses makeup. Okay guys, so it's time to get started. I actually am wearing a bathing suit right now. So I'm about to go hang out with some family by the pool. We definitely want some sweatproof makeup today. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with moisturizer. You can also go in with one that has SPF in it. Always super important, but you really just want to make sure to hydrate your face. Okay, so now we're going to be using a technique that I actually learned from TikTok, and if you haven't seen, I did a video trying TikTok makeup hacks. If you guys want to see that, this is going to be really key for sweatproof makeup. So what you want to do is take some translucent powder and we're going to focus it where the glasses are gonna kind of be today. So you could also focus it on your forehead if you're concerned about like sweating, or just around the perimeters of your face. So just tap it and take like a little amount, and we're just gonna set all over the nose and kind of like the cheeks where your glasses would sit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of set the perimeters of my face, because that's usually, you know, when you're sweating the makeup starts to fold off. I'm gonna go ahead with primer today. So today I'm just using the Il Makiage No Filter Poreless Base. You want something that's mattifying. Put the primer on top of where you put the powder, wherever you usually prime or where you know you're gonna sweat. Okay, so I'm zooming you guys in for the rest of the face. So now that we have this, I'm gonna go in with the Hydrating Setting Spray by Il Makiage, and just spray 3 sprays of that just to really lock in that primer and that base. And I've noticed working in steps during the summer or when you want to avoid sweating, it just really helps lock your makeup in. So today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. So you want to make sure that you're using any type of longwear foundation. This one for me specifically, I have more dry skin. So of course, like anyone else, I do sweat during the summer, but you can go ahead, you could use a matte foundation. I know matte foundations really help for the summer. You can honestly do whatever works best for you. And I just love this foundation because it's super lightweight, but it just looks so beautiful on the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with a brush. This is the Morphe Y7 brush. So I'm going ahead and just putting this all over the skin and buffing it out. And this is also going to give like a natural skin-like finish. I'm also kind of avoiding the top of my lids just to give a more summer natural look, and you're going to see what we do with the concealer. So yeah, once I blend out with the brush, I'm going to go over top with the blender. This is the Dose of Colors one, just to really seal everything in. And then what I like to do is again take the spray to lock it in before we even set. So just a light little mist in between every step will really help for sweat-proof makeup. And you can pounce that setting spray into the skin. So I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer, and we're gonna mimic the TikTok trend right now. So we're gonna put it in the inner and then also create like a winged out effect. I'm just putting this in the inner and outer part and just highlighting the face with this. And then I'm taking my sponge. You could also do a brush if you want like a fuller coverage effect, but I'm taking my sponge just to diffuse this product. And when we get to the outer corner, you want to make sure that we keep that winged out. Try not to go on top of your lid. This is just going to create a nice winged out effect. And if you do want to go ahead and the line gets too harsh, you can take your finger and just pat it in. Really just get it in the inner corner. And as you can see, when you leave your lid space blank, it kind of gives you contour definition, especially if you're like me and have darker colored lids. So you could go ahead and spray one more time, lock it in again, and as you can see, this foundation is super luminous, and then using a hydrating setting spray makes it even more luminous. You could also use a matte setting spray depending on your preference and your skin type. But now we're gonna go in with our powder. This is key pretty much always, but especially sweat proof. I know a lot of the times we're like, okay, we don't want the powder to melt off, but trust me, the creams, if you don't set them in place, they will not stay where you want them to, I promise. I'm just gonna go ahead and really pack this powder over the nose. Not only will it contour the nose, but if you watch any of my other glasses tutorials, always set all over your nose when you know you're going to be wearing glasses. And just sweat proof in general, bake wherever you know that you sweat. We have this for now, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill in my brows super quick. Just super lightly, because I've noticed even the brow product, if you start sweating and you wipe your brow, it'll come off. And you want to get a really nice clear brow gel. So I've really been loving this Morphe one lately, and I love the applicator. It really just creates some beautiful, natural, full, fluffy brow. You can use my code GLAMFAM527 for money off all your Morphe purchases. The Morphe spray would look really good with this as well. We have this kind of lifted effect going on. Also, make sure you bake the winged out effect of your eye. It's just really going to create that nice lifted illusion, as you could see, compared to the other eye right now, and it's gonna enhance that trick we did with our concealer. So I pretty much live by setting all over your face no matter what time of year. It really is just gonna give you the most flawless results. So I like to go in with my Hello Happy powder by Benefit, and I pat this in everywhere and I press the product into my skin. This just makes sure that nothing's gonna go anywhere, I promise. Go ahead and dust off your base. We're gonna take our setting spray again. And you guys know I like to drown my face in setting spray, but when it comes to this, you just want 1 or 2 sprays in between each step. So you want to let this fully dry, and I just love it. See, we didn't even put highlighter, and it just gives like a luminous effect. It's a combination of the foundation and also this spray. Also, I like leaving my eyelids bare for this sweat-proof look because I tend to notice during the summer I'll get little creasing action with my concealer on my lids. Now I'm going to go in with our translucent powder, and so I'm leaving leaving this big tour down. So this product, if you guys remember, if you guys are an OG, if you used to watch a lot of my makeup videos, this was one of my favorite products, and it still is. This is literally an old one that my mom bought, and I'm just borrowing it right now. It is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in Golden Sand. For sweatproof makeup, I honestly recommend, it depends what kind of effect you want, but for me personally, I feel like powders always last all day, and when you do creams, I feel like they are more prone to just sweat off your face. So I like to go in with this, especially in the summer, because they're both luminous, beautiful finishes. And when you're wearing glasses, I don't like to bring my highlight. Usually I have my highlight all the way up in here, but I don't like to do that personally when I have glasses on. So I'm just taking the little bit of this bronzer that is left, and I'm just gonna bronze all over the face with it. And I'm just sweeping it. So I don't necessarily like contour and chisel out my face as much with this look, just because you want to have that wash of color, but you want to be careful not to pack too much on, because if you do start to sweat and things start to come off at the end, you don't want to look like you're having, like, you know, a mask on. And then this beautiful blush, I'm taking a huge fluffy brush and I'm just sweeping it all over the cheeks, and if you guys just see, it brings out the glow even more. Just looks so stunning and adds that perfect color. And you just want to be soft with this. You don't want to go too much. And make sure, I'm all for blush and a lot of product on the cheek, but when it comes to the summer and sweating with sunglasses, glasses, your frames are mostly going to be sitting here. I mean, if your frames do. So you just want to try and diffuse the product and not be too heavy-handed on the apple of the cheek, just in case your glasses take that product off. And I'm going in with my blush brush that I normally use with no extra product on it, just to kind of define the cheek even more. And I'm also sweeping this just a little bit on the nose. I don't like to contour the nose too heavy or bronze the nose too heavy in the summer when I'm wearing glasses, because I just want that fresh faced look. So now we have the skin, and I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, this new product. I've been so excited about this. I've seen like so many good things, so we're gonna try it out today. Of course, go with waterproof mascara. That's going to be your best bet for sweatproof, but just for the sake of this video, I don't normally wear just mascara, so I really just wanted to get my first impression of this mascara at the same time for you guys. Before we do anything else to the eyes, we want to go in one more time with our setting spray and melt all that product in, because when you're wearing just mascara, you don't want it to leak or run, and especially I've never used this mascara before, so I don't want it to go anywhere, and I don't know if it's gonna run or smear. So I'm taking my Laura Mercier lash curler. This lash curler is really good, and I'm also taking a Sigma black liner just to line my waterline, line the tight line if you want, just to create some definition on the eye. And if you want to do a full lashes and liner look, my last glasses video I did full glam for glasses, so how to wear falsies and huge winged liner if that's what you want, and you can also make sure that you make it sweat proof. So going ahead and curling our lashes up, and guys, ever since I got my lash lift, obviously the lash lift has fallen now, which it literally lasted me months. It made my lashes grow too, which I don't know if that was supposed to happen, but hey, I'm not mad at it at all. Okay, and you can even leave your lashes like this. A good curl in the summer is always amazing, but waterproof mascara is not only great for the summertime, but it's also just amazing to keep the curl in general. So okay, we're gonna go in with the volume side of this mascara. Ooh, go ahead and coat. Oh dang, I'm shook. And you guys know I'm a falsie girl. I don't really test out mascaras often, and usually I'm disappointed by them, if I'm being honest. Even just this side I would be happy with. Coat the other side. And I really curled my lashes today, wow. So don't mind me if I'm getting on the lid, I'm gonna take it off. And then we're gonna do the curl and length side. I'm pretty impressed, honestly. My lashes are not anything special at all, but I tried this one out, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it off my lid. I'm gonna do a quick little bottom coat, and I'm actually gonna do this with my waterproof. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big. So now you could go in again around the nose and really press the powder in this time. Instead of just like baking with it, just press it into your nose, and especially on the sides where the glasses are gonna sit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. And I don't know if it's just me, but does anyone else actually kind of low-key like sweating with makeup? Because it just makes it look all nice. I don't know, maybe because I have dry skin. But and a trick I have when you want to line your lips but like with a natural look, I don't really like a heavy, is just to wipe it off because it will leave the overline but it won't be as harsh. And then I'm gonna go in with this Frankie Rose lip gloss in the shade Fashionista. It's a beautiful like luminous shade. If you know your mascara won't run, you can go in again with the settings right. But here we have it. Also guys, I just forgot, go ahead and just highlight your nose real quick and your inner corner. So here is the look with my glasses. I absolutely just love how it looks, and I promise you will not sweat as much, you will not get those lines. These steps really help. You will be shocked, and if anything, if you sweat, it'll make your makeup look even better, as weird as that sounds. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring this video, and be sure to look down below to check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.